Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the Messages app or FaceTime to access your Memoji features quickly. Tap an existing conversation, then tap the App Store icon next to the text field. Tap the Memoji or Animoji icon to open the sticker chooser. In FaceTime, tap Effects, then tap the Memoji button to apply a live mask. Ensure your iPad model and iPad OS versions support Face ID or True Depth for live Memoji tracking. If tracking is unavailable, you can still use static Memoji stickers in Messages. Tap the new Memoji Plus button to start creating a custom avatar from scratch. Choose skin tone, freckles, and cheek blush using precise color swatches and sliders. Select hairstyle, hair color, and highlights for a realistic look. Customize eyes, nose, mouth, and add facial hair with available shapes and thickness controls. Add accessories such as glasses, hats, and piercings from the Accessories menu for personality. Tap Done to save, and the new Memoji will appear in your sticker and Animoji lists. Tap a Memoji sticker to insert it into a message or drag it onto photos in Messages. Use the Memoji in FaceTime by applying it during a call from the Effects menu. To edit a saved Memoji, open the selector, tap the three dots, then choose Edit. To duplicate or delete, use the same three-dot menu and pick Duplicate or Delete. You can export Memoji stickers by tapping Share after selecting a sticker to send via other apps. Manage and remove unwanted Memoji anytime using the Edit and Delete options.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.